Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Back to the investing channel. In tonight's video, I want to do a video on AXS USDT pairing. So in this video, we'll take a look at the charts. We'll look at potential entry points and exit points. And then we will look at some indicators on it for those of you guys that are interested in AXS. I've had a few people recently request me to do a video on it, so I thought I would put that together. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. But before I do, for those of you that are new, that's what I do. I let you guys know of good entry points and exit points as I see them. This is only my personal opinion. This isn't advice. So you guys can follow me on my journey. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll jump into trades on my own and I'll let you guys know my entry point and I'll make a video on it. And then as soon as it takes profit, I'll let you guys know when it takes profit so you guys can see that I'm making money. Okay, so if you haven't yet, subscribed over here and then smack that notification bell so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Here we go. Whoop, there it is. All right, so AXS USDT. I'm over on TradingView. I keep my list right here. You can see most of the day it was pretty much red. However, my power was out, so I wasn't able to check the whole day. But it looks like a lot of greens are coming back in. But I have my coins and I have my stocks in here. So if you guys aren't using TradingView, you can take a look at it. I think they're still offering the 30-day free trial. So I'm going to have a link down below in the description of the video. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys that I am making money. So, well, let me find here. Where am I at? Where are you? Investing. Okay. So here's my channel. So what I do is a lot of times I'll do price predictions and I'll jump into coins on these and I'll let you guys know my entry and my exit. And then when they take profit, I do another video. So you can see took profit, 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 took profit. So a lot of these coins are coming back around. Now they may go up and they may go down a little bit. Sorry, I got somebody outside. But that's the thing. You can't get nervous about that, okay? So you can see here that I've got a lot of coins that are coming around and they're just clearing gradually, and I'm just waiting for them. I don't get nervous about it. So let me go back to the chart. We'll keep moving here. So let's analyze it. And for those of you guys that are new to watching me, you want to stay for the video. Trust me, you're going to see some stuff that you haven't seen before, and you're going to be like, wow. So stay with me, okay? You won't be upset that you stayed. Okay, so we'll just do a quick analysis of it. So on the RSI, we are bouncing off the 70 and we're heading down towards the 50, okay? So we've kind of hit a high point here. We're probably going to go down a little bit more. Not a big deal. I'm not worried about it, okay? I look for long term. So I look at holding, a day, a week, a month, a few months, whatever it takes for it to swing, okay? So let me keep moving here. Volume, let's see what's going on with volume. You'll see here a lot of the volume was right in this area right here, 66 cents. And then we have had a influx of volume over here in the 43 area, 45 roughly. So there'll probably be more people buying in somewhere down in this 45 to 43 area here soon. So stay with me, folks. You're not going to be upset. So the blue line is crossing below the orange line, which means more of a downward trend. So it could drop a little bit more. So for those of you guys that are thinking about jumping in, you might want to hold off for just a little bit more and see what happens. However, right now it's up 1.37%. Okay, in Ichimoku Cloud, we're below the red. So typically what you want to do is you want to not buy when it's below the red, or you want to at least buy when it's breaking through the red. That's more important with like day trading or wanting to get an exact moment on stocks. You definitely want to make sure it's breaking through the red. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn up that indicator and I'm going to start drawing lines on here. I won't make you sit here and wait for me to do that. So what I'll do is I'll end up pausing the video. Let me get all the lines drawn out here, and then we will analyze them. And once I show you what I'm about to show you, you're going to be pleasantly surprised for those of you that are new. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video now, and then I'll pick it back up in just a second. Okay, hold on. Okay, I've got it done here. Okay, let me turn off the volume here. I'm over on the 4-hour chart. I like to work off the 4-hour chart. I also look at the 1-day chart. So typically what happens is when price action drops below certain bases that get created, they more often than not will swing back up. So it'll drop, it'll crack it, and then it'll shoot back up at some point in time. It's just a matter of a waiting game. So for those of you that have been watching me, you already know this. So stick with me, okay? All right, so let me show you some examples here. Okay, so here's some lines. Here it cracked right there real quick, came back up. Over here it cracked, over here it came back up. Over here it cracked and came back up. This line, it was cracked a few times, it came back up. Over here it cracked, it came back up. It cracked there, it came back up. Let me spread this out a little bit for you guys. All right, here on this line right here, it cracked and it came back up. And then even on this line over here, it cracked and came back up. Cracked there, came back up right away and cracked again, and then ultimately came back up 2 more times. Here it cracked and it came back up. This line right here, it cracked, came back up, but then it cracked again, and it ultimately came back up. Cracked there, came back up, cracked there, came back up, cracked there, has not come back up on there yet, so it's starting to make its downward trend. But over here, it cracked this line, and it almost touched it. This line cracked, came back up right there, and also there again. It cracked over here, it came back up. It cracked this line, went around for a while, ultimately came back up, and then down here, a few more cracks and came back up. So if somebody gave me $1,000 and said, Ryan, I need you to jump into AXS USDT, what would my thoughts be? Well, okay, so what I would probably do is, because it has cracked here, it has not come back up, I'd probably go to the next level down just to ensure the chances of it coming back up. So I'm thinking somewhere around the 104 range, 103, 105, somewhere in there. So if somebody gave me $1,000 and I bought in right now, I could wait for it to swing down a little bit lower. It might get there. But if it doesn't, I shouldn't worry too much, because the history of this coin has traditionally come back up, and it comes up a lot with other coins. So if somebody said you had to do it right now, today, and I had to put it in immediately, I would be jumping in here at the 59. I might even try to wait till, a little while later, but it is in the positive right now. So who knows? A lot of these coins are turning green, so it could potentially start to swing back up. But my thought is, for a quick profit, I could either sell around the 73 mark, the 80 mark, kind of layering right here, maybe around the, was that 78? So write this down: 73, 78, 83, 88, 89, 95, 99 to 100, or around 104. So that would be my game plan. Obviously, if I bought right here and I want to take a quick profit, I could do it up here. I probably wouldn't have to wait as long. But if I wait for it to come up here, I might be waiting a while. So if I place that trade now, then I might be holding on to it for a while, and that's okay. I don't get stressed. I'm not going to put in a stop loss, because I stopped doing that, and I started making money as soon as I stopped putting in stop losses on coins. Stock market might be a little bit different, but that's what my game plan would be. So if you guys are finding this interesting, of all this cracking and coming back up, please, over here, just below the center of the video, a little bit to the right, if you can click the thumbs up button. That lets YouTube know that I'm providing you helpful information. And you have seen on my, where is it? You've seen on my channel that coins come back and take profit. So I am good at picking points, took profit. So watch my other videos, and thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to be doing more videos. All right. So if you guys are in on a coin right now and you're stuck and you're like, oh, I'd like to see maybe what it looks like on the particular coin I'm on, let me know down in the comments. I'll take a look at it, and then I might do a video on it. But I've got a lot more people. I've got probably around 20 coins that people are asking me to do. So as soon as I can find time, I'll be doing these things. If I can't do a video, what I'll try to do is I'll try to at least give you these levels like I did here right now. But if a price action jumped above 104, I wouldn't be jumping back in. I would be taking a step back, and I would be holding for a few days or something, waiting to see what happens, waiting to see what's going on with the flow of everything, and before I make another decision on this coin. Sometimes it continues to go up. Sometimes it hits a point like that, and then it just starts going back down again. So just be aware of that, okay? Don't be nervous, guys. If you're in on a coin, don't rush too quick to sell. And I know many of you guys have sold, and then it feels like the next hour, all of a sudden it's pumping up again, right? Especially on SLP. Let's go take a look at SLP. Let's see here. Where are you? There we are. SLP, look at this. Boom. Look at that. Boom shakalaka. Yep, people were down here were saying, Ryan, what do I do? What do I do? What should I do? Should I hold? Should I sell? A couple people sold. I told people to hold. The ones that held are like, oh my God, you saved me a ton of money. So even though it's going down, remember, coins go up and they go down, and they go up and they go down, and they go sideways. Don't get scared off by this, okay? Tune it out. Get into a trade at the right point, has to be the right point, and then set it aside and go look at other coins. Spread your risk, all right? Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll do more videos here soon. All right, bye-bye.